Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore PayPal account access after security lockout, complete guide step by step clearly. If you find yourself locked out of your PayPal account due to security reasons, follow these steps to regain access. First, open the PayPal login page on your web browser. Enter your email address and click on the next button. If you see a message indicating your account is locked, click on the link for Forgot Your Password. You will be prompted to enter your email. Check your email for a message from PayPal with instructions to reset your password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Once your password is reset, return to the PayPal login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. If your account remains locked, you may need to verify your identity. To do this, click on the Need Help or Contact Us link. Select the option for Account Recovery or Restrictions. You might be asked to answer security questions or enter a verification code sent to your mobile device. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity. If you can't access your registered phone number, select the option to verify your identity through another method. After successfully verifying your identity, you will receive a notification that your account is unlocked. Now, return to the PayPal login page and attempt to log in again. If you encounter further issues, consider reaching out to PayPal customer support via phone or chat. Provide them with your account information and a detailed explanation of the problem. Follow any additional instructions provided by customer support to restore access to your account. Once logged in, review your account settings for any suspicious activity. It's advisable to update your security settings, including enabling two-factor authentication. This will help protect your account from future lockouts or unauthorized access. You have now successfully restored access to your PayPal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.